This is a brief introduction to Tagxedo, which is an application that makes word clouds from text. You can use different styles, colors, fonts, themes, and shapes, and these will highlight the frequencies of occurrence of words within the body of text. To make this video, I used Screencast-O-Matic. I used the free version, which I downloaded and installed on my computer. From the home screen of Tagxedo, there are a few options immediately available. One of them is to enter a URL, and this is the address for the Wikipedia entry on instructional design. I will choose the classic shape, allow any orientation, and choose a font of license plate and a theme of Arizona sunrise. After the word cloud is created, I will be able to respin it. I'll be able to change its color, theme, font, orientation, and layout. And I'll also be able to change its shape. As you can see, the words that appear the most often, instructional, educational, design, are in larger fonts or larger sizes. And this is a good way for students to be able to analyze a document, see which words are used the most often. Within a theme, you can change its color to have the different words being in different colors, and you can also change the theme by rotating through themes or by choosing from a list of themes. You can also change the font and orientation and layout, and if you're not sure which ones of these you like the best, you can look at the history and see which one you can see all the ones that you've done and choose the one that you like the best. You can also change its shape, and there's a lot of shapes that are given. For example, we could use the shape of a banana, and it will take these same words and make another word cloud in the shape of a banana. Right now it's free also to add an image, and you can add, at the bottom, you can add an image from your computer. You can take a picture, and the contrast in the picture will be changed into a dark area and a light area, and the words can either fill the light area or the dark area. Now if you want a particular shape or style of something, the contrast will have to be pretty good in order for that to come out. I had a picture of a hexagonal skylight in which the contrast was very good, and I entered a definition of a hexagon and got this result. This would be an excellent way for students to connect language arts and fine arts in the words and in the design. And in this case, mathematics, language arts, and design and fine arts are all inside one project, which is an excellent connection for them to make. You can also load different things, and you can make different clouds here at the same time. You can use a file, a web page, or you can enter text. And if you enter something simple like teaching with technology, you will get a word cloud that has words repeated quite a bit. And they won't use the word with, because as it stands now, the common words are taken out. And so just teaching and technology will be used in this word cloud. This would be a good project for students to find a shape that matched the words that they used as well. In the options, there are options to allow punctuation in numbers and to use common words. So I would include with then in this word cloud if I wanted to. There are layout options. You can skip some words if you want. In this case, it wouldn't make sense if there are only 2 words I'm using. And there are some advanced options. The Deja Vu is a nice advanced option. In this, you can compare 2 documents or 2 files, and common words between the files have the same color for those words in both of the word clouds. And I did this for 2 Wikipedia entries, for instructional design and for educational technology, and then I saved these and imported them to a Word document to compare them. You can see that educational and education are both green, learning blue. You can compare those. You see instructional and instructional design and instruction in educational technology are the same color. You can see instructional has a lot more emphasis in instructional design. And in educational technology, technology, which you see here in orange, has a lot more emphasis than technology in instructional design. So this is an excellent way that students can actually not only analyze one document, but compare two documents using Tagxedo.